Caulking is a simple and effective way to seal gaps around doors, windows, counters, bathtubs, sinks, and more. Before you start, remove old caulk with a utility knife or caulk removal tool. Wipe down the area with rubbing alcohol or a household cleaner and let it dry. If you are caulking indoors, you can add painter's tape to help create clean caulk lines. Caulk comes in tubes or caulk gun canisters. To load a caulk gun, cut the tip of the canister at an angle with a utility knife. The larger the hole you cut in the canister, the bigger the caulk bead will be, so start smaller and enlarge the opening if needed. Many caulk guns include an attached cutter in the handle of the caulk gun. After cutting, puncture the interior foil with the attached pin or with a nail. Load the canister in the gun and press the rod into the back of the canister until you feel it engage. Squeeze the trigger until the caulk is ready to dispense. Test your caulk bead on a piece of paper or a rag to make sure it is the right size. Apply the caulk by dragging the gun backwards across the joint and pulling the trigger. Work in small sections and try to keep your bead even and regular. Finish your caulk bead with a caulk finishing tool to push it into the corners and create a smooth surface. You can also use a spoon or a wet-gloved finger to smooth the caulk. Remove your tape when the caulk is tacky but not yet dry for the cleanest lines. Store excess caulk in the canister by sealing the end with a galvanized nail or wire nut.